Have you ever wondered if something as small as the oil you use for cooking could quietly shape the health of your brain? Let me tell you a story. A close friend of mine, let's call him Daniel, used to love fried food. Every Friday night, it was burgers, fries, and crispy chicken wings. He'd say, life's too short not to enjoy food. But one morning, at only 52 years old, Daniel collapsed in his kitchen. A stroke. His life was never the same. And here's the shocking part, it wasn't just stress or bad luck. It was the hidden fats on his plate, day after day. You see, every 40 seconds, someone in the US has a stroke. That's nearly 800,000 people every year. And while age and genetics play a role, the fats we eat can quietly push the risk much higher. Let's uncover the 5 dangerous fats that damage the brain, often without us even realizing it. Number 1. Trans fats. They hide in golden French fries, fried chicken, and those soft packaged pastries that never go stale. They taste amazing, but inside the body, they act like poison. They inflame your blood vessels, damage arteries, and increase dementia risk by nearly 50%. Imagine enjoying that flaky croissant in the morning, without realizing you're feeding fire to your brain. Number 2. Saturated fats. They're in juicy steaks, buttery toast, and creamy lattes. Comforting? Absolutely. But over time, they raise LDL, the bad cholesterol, and clog your arteries. It's like narrowing the pipes that carry blood to your brain. One day, those pipes might just block completely. Number 3. Too much omega-6. Now, omega-6 is not evil, it's an essential fat. But in the modern diet, it's everywhere, in corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, in chips, instant noodles, salad dressings. When omega-6 overwhelms omega-3, your body flips into constant inflammation. It's like having a fire alarm that never turns off. Number 4. Oxidized LDL. Think of reused, dark cooking oil at street stalls, or animal fat left too long in the fridge. Once oxidized, LDL turns sticky like rust, clinging to arteries and sparking plaque buildup. It doesn't just raise cholesterol, it turns it toxic. Number 5. Hydrogenated oils. These are in margarine, shortening, and processed cookies. Here's the cruel trick, even if the label says 0 grams trans fat, it can still hide small amounts. And small amounts add up fast. These oils not only raise bad cholesterol, they lower the good cholesterol too. A double blow. But here's the hope. Not all fats are villains. Some fats are the silent guardians of your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in salmon, sardines, chia seeds, walnuts. They keep blood flowing, reduce clots, and protect memory. In one study, people who ate fish twice a week had a significantly lower risk of stroke. Imagine, just 2 meals could change your future. Monounsaturated fats. Olive oil. Avocados, almonds. These fats lower the bad cholesterol and raise the good. Think of them as cleaners, sweeping your arteries so blood flows freely to your brain. Polyunsaturated fats. In sunflower seeds, walnuts, flax oil. They don't just lower cholesterol, they improve overall circulation. Even a small sprinkle of seeds on your yogurt or salad helps keep your brain sharp. MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides. Found in coconut oil. Unlike other fats, they don't get stored, they go straight to your brain as fuel. Imagine giving your brain a clean energy shot. Like switching on a light bulb when the room grows dim. Phospholipids. In egg yolks and soy. These are the insulation on your brain's wiring, keeping neurons firing smoothly. Without them, communication slows. With them, your memory and focus stay strong. Here's the truth, every meal is a message to your brain. When you reach for margarine instead of olive oil, you're sending a message of harm. But when you grab walnuts instead of cookies, you're telling your brain, I've got your back. Daniel's story taught me something important. He couldn't change the past, but you and I still can. Even small changes today, like adding flaxseed to your breakfast, or cooking with olive oil, can ripple into decades of sharper thinking, better memory, and a healthier future. Your brain is always adapting, always healing, always waiting for you to choose for it. So tonight, when you stand in your kitchen, ask yourself, what message am I sending to my brain? Because the truth is, your brain deserves the very best fuel.